Hello guys, we're gonna take one of these clear containers and we're gonna take this square dot and place it around it. Like they like sticker dots, so just go ahead and place it around it like that, and we're gonna spray paint it in gold. Then we're gonna take one of these containers, spray paint it in gold as well, then take all the sticker out like that one by one, just leave it like that. Then I'm gonna place this little light at the bottom part. I'm gonna put this decorative stuff on top, and this is how cute you guys it turns out. So simple and so easy that you guys can do for your home decor idea. I hope you guys like all this DIY for your home decorations. Now I'm gonna take one of this clear container. I'm gonna take some spoon. I'm gonna cut it out like that. So I'm gonna cut a whole bunch of them out like that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hot glue and put hot glue around it, and then I'm gonna attach it to the little ball like that. So we're gonna continue putting hot glue and attach it like that. So we're gonna do one row down like that, all the way down. And then we're gonna continue doing the same thing until we do the whole thing all the way around it. Then go ahead and spray paint it in silver. I'm going to take one of these little containers, spray paint it in silver too. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. Super cute, super easy, and so inexpensive that you guys can do for your home decorations. No matter how you put it, I think it looks great. Now, for the next day, we're going to take one of these clear containers and I'm going to spray paint it in black. After that, I'm going to take this little marble in gold and I'm just going to go ahead and attach it to the top like that, all the way around it. Then I'm going to take this candle holder, spray paint it in gold, three of them, like small and medium and large. I'm going to take my hot glue and attach it all the way around it. Place your candle on top, and I'm going to put some moss around it, some little bit of flour, put another one plate at the bottom, and this is how cute you guys it turns out. Simple, easy ideas that you guys can do for your table decorations, but these are more for home decor instead of a party decorations. But if you guys want to make it, you can also do it as well. This one I did it without the plate at the bottom just to make it like that, if you want it to be like a little more simpler than the other ideas. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of this glass. I'm gonna take this light bulb. I'm gonna put some Velcro around it like that just to attach it. Then I'm gonna put the Velcro on the other one so I could take it apart. Then I'm gonna cover it up, spray paint it, and then I'm gonna take one of these little glass and sprinkle a little bit of the white like that. And then this one, here you go. This is like a night light that you guys can use for your side table. I think it's super cute, super simple idea that you guys can do, and you can do it any color that you guys would like. Now for the next idea, they have these bottles in Dollar Tree like that, is small one. I'm gonna use three of these. I'm gonna spray paint them in gold, and then after I'm gonna take this little glass and I'm gonna spray paint it as well. But I'm gonna put it upside down, then attach the one on top. I'm gonna put another one on top as well. And in here, I made a beautiful candle holder, you guys, which I think is super cute. I did it in blue and gold, but I think if you do it like white and gold, it will look great. You can also place the little thing at upside down like that, so it looks super nice. Now for the next thing, I'm gonna take one of this round mirror. I'm gonna spray paint it in gold, and they have this little wood thing, just attach it so it won't fall apart. Spray painted and go like that. I'm gonna use three of these and then attach it in there. Just attach it with hot glue, put a plate on top. I'm gonna use one on top like that and place a glass on top, put flowers around it, a candle inside, and this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. Simple, easy, but you can also make it like for chips, for snack, and just go ahead and take it from there. Now